Hello everyone. Are you feeling down or stuck in a tough moment? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will share some powerful English expressions that will boost your confidence and keep you going strong. So, let's move on to the topic. Hang in there. Hang in there. It is what it is. It is what it is. Chin up. Chin up. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Break a leg. Break a leg. Give it your best shot. Give it your best shot.